First thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the inspection, because obviously any pest will come from outside to the inside. So being the outside door, we want to make sure that there's no gaps on either side. We've got rodent tamper plate stations on either side of the door, normally on the left and on the right. The tools that we're going to use, a UV torch specifically for rodents, because with a UV, it actually lights up the urine stains, and that will give us the indication of where they're running, what are their routes, how do they get entry into the structure, and how do they move. And then this, we've got a normal torch with an inspection mirror, so that we can see in difficult areas, behind equipment, underneath equipment, behind cupboards. It just saves it in terms of having to go down onto your knees, because it's got an extension pole so that you can see directly underneath the equipment to look where the pests are hiding from us. With rodents, we want to start on either side of the door, looking to see for tracks, rodent droppings or any smear marks, and also the urine stains. So this UV torch will actually highlight any signs of rodent activity that we might have. What we've done is we've gone all the way around on the inside of the structure, looking specifically at any point where the rodents might be entering, specifically on the left-hand side and right-hand side of doors, any pipe that might be coming through, any drain systems. So we want to go all the way around, making sure that there's no signs of rodent infestation or any smear marks, droppings, urine stains, any sign. We want to make sure that there isn't any in the facility, and if there is, obviously that forms part of the IPM protocols, where we seal off those areas and make sure the rodents can't get into the facility in the first place.